everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I am going to talk about all of my favorite beauty products of 2020. So before I just start sharing all of the things I've been loving this year in the beauty category, one of my goals for this year 2021 is to share more beauty. I feel like when I first started blogging and doing my YouTube channel, I talked about beauty products all the time. I did makeup tutorials, which I miss doing, and I just talked so much more about beauty. But since I kind of transitioned to like mom stuff and family life and all of that, beauty has just been put on the back burner. So this year my goal is to share more beauty every month with you guys. And I also transitioned the beginning of last year, I believe, to like clean and non-toxic living. So most of the things that I use now are just natural or non-toxic or safer alternatives. So I'm really excited about that too, and to share more brands in that realm. There's just so much, so I'm really excited. How many times have I said excited? Okay, let's start the video. So the only thing that is not beauty related that I'm going to talk about is my newfound obsession with jewelry, Ana Luisa specifically. I'm just really happy I found them, because I would buy jewelry. I literally have a box in my bathroom of just random things that I've bought in the last like few years, and I've never worn any of them, like earrings, bracelets, whatever. Like I just buy the stuff and think that it's so cute, and then I just never wear it. I feel like I can't pair it with things. I feel like it's too much. I don't know. I just have so much stuff that I never wore, and so I am so happy I found Ana Luisa, because I love all of their pieces and they're super easy for me to piece together. Even if I'm just wearing a sweatshirt, I'm very like minimal and basic and just like simple when it comes to my style, and especially with my jewelry. So Ana Luisa is amazing. They're affordable, they're super high quality, and they are sustainable. Like how cool is that? Can you say that about the brand of jewelry that you wear or your favorite? It's just, I love it. They can do no wrong. So I'm going to share a few of my favorite pieces. There will be a link to shop in the description along with a code, so you can save some money. But this, look at this flower bracelet. How cute are those tiny little flowers? And this is a rose gold. I have just like regular yellow gold, and this and my necklaces I think is the only piece of rose gold. But anyways, it matches this necklace that I'm wearing, which is just a little bit bigger of the same flower. Again, rose, super dainty and simple, but like I said, like really high quality. And I have had a few of these for a long time, and they show like no signs of wear. So I just can't speak highly enough of them. I'll share with you a couple more. Actually, this is like almost my whole collection. I did have a pair of earrings I lost one of. I'm so sad. But look at this bracelet. It has a little, I think like a little opal type of stone there. Sorry, cannot hold it still. But it's, again, really dainty and cute, easy to wear, matches everything. That's the theme with all of these. This is my favorite. I think this is my most worn piece. And this is the girls' favorite too. They love when I wear it. A little moon and star pendant. This is yellow gold, and it has different slots, so you can change the length, which I love because you can layer a lot of these too. Up next is this little heart piece. Again, it's yellow gold. It has different sizes or lengths. And how cute is the, I don't know if you can tell, but it like reflects. It has like different flecks of like, I don't know, holographic. I don't know, it's kind of like iridescent, maybe is that the word I'm looking for? But it's really pretty in the light. And then the last, yeah, this is the last one that I have here. I love the chain on this one. It has those little balls. I don't know terms with jewelry, so if there's a term for that, sorry. And then this like little sunburst. And this is a shorter one, so it's really good for layering. I like to layer this one with my moon and star pendant, so they can go together like that. And then I'm also wearing the rings. I just got these recently, so there are two different ones, and these, they're very similar. One is just twisted. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, and one is just like balls. But I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I hope you can. But I love it because they're adjustable, so you don't have to worry about sizing, and you can adjust it to different sizes for different fingers too. So I love these, and I like to pair this one with my wedding ring, like as another band, and then I put the other one on just my other hand. But again, very simple and dainty and easy to wear. Okay, now I'm gonna jump into my beauty stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. Disclaimer, I filmed this video already. That's why this post is on my blog right now, my beauty favorites from 2020, because I filmed it, and then as soon as I went to go and import and edit the video, it recorded 3 minutes of the whole thing, and I was like, oh, so bummed. But that's like the only time that's happened to me, so I'm really lucky, I guess. But anyways, if I'm like rambling through all these, it's because I've already filmed this video. Also, I just like thought of this, but someone has said before that I talk too fast in my videos, and I try to just not make the video too long, and I guess I just talk fast in general. But there is a little button, maybe I'll try to put it in the description because I feel like I'm already talking super fast in this one, but you can slow down videos. It's like in the play settings or something, you can slow it down if I'm talking too fast, so sorry in advance. But the first category I'll talk about is makeup. This is a True and Luscious makeup palette, and I've shared it before. I think I did maybe I did a tutorial with this, but it's clean beauty, and it's called their Lucky Glow palette. They don't have very many products, but it is a clean brand, and look how beautiful this palette is. It has two bronzers, 3 highlighters, and a blush, and it's gorgeous. I love it so much. And like I said, it's clean, and it's super, like the quality is really good. I feel like some natural products are like hard to blend in or really not easy to work with. This is super easy and blendable. I love it so much. It's basically the only bronzer that I've used in the last year. My makeup has been super basic this year, as I'm sure all of you as well. We haven't been going many places, so I've been using basically concealer, a little bronzer. I have my lashes done, so no mascara, so I don't have very many makeup products, but this is the best concealer I have ever used. It is just amazing. It's creamy, not too thick, not too light. It's like a medium coverage. It blends really nicely into the skin, and it doesn't look cakey. It's not drying. It's so good. It gives you a nice dewy glow, but not too dewy where it's like sticky, if any of that makes sense. But it's Savvy Minerals by Young Living, so if you have any questions on that one, let me know. This is something I also use. I'm not sure if this is clean beauty or not. This is a product I've had forever. It's the Under Eye Brightening Corrector by Becca, and it works so good. I've used it a ton, and it's like not even halfway gone, I don't think, so it lasts a long time. I know Becca is a little bit more pricey, but this is so good. It makes your under eye super bright, and it dries really nicely, and I just wear it under my concealer for just an extra brightening boost. It's so good. I'll link all these products in the blog post, and I'll link that in the description. This is a Beauty Counter brow gel. It's kind of just like, I don't know if it has those tiny fibers in it or not, but it kind of just plumps up your brow, makes them a little more bushy and tinted. So if you're just running out the door and want to just quickly do something with your brow, that's really easy. And then this is a clear brow gel by Laura Mercier. I like to put this one over my like eyebrow pencil. I've been using the Aveda eyebrow pencil. I just ran out of it though, so I can't show you. It's all gone. But I think that's it for makeup. And I have my nail products in here too. So there's just a couple of clean nail polish brands that I've used this year, and I love all of them. This one is Halo Hand. I think this is 10 free. When you're looking for clean nail polish, it'll say like 5 free, 10 free, 8 free. I don't know. It means that they are free of the 10 most common bad ingredients that are in some nail polishes. So like formaldehyde and all that gross stuff. So that was Halo Hand. I also have Emma. This is another good one. I think this one is sold at my Aveda salon. So if you want to get or buy it like locally, you can check out yours. And then the last brand is Ella and Mila. This is the clear coat. I thought I had my favorite color in here too, but this is such a good top coat. I use this on all different brands, and it works really good. It's called In a Rush. It's a quick drying top coat, works really well. And then this is my favorite color. This is called Honeymoon Bliss, and this is Ella and Mila too. Packaging is really cute on all of those too. And then like removers, because those can be really toxic too, and plus they just smell really bad. So the Ella and Mila brand has one, and these are basically the same exact ones. This is the Halo Hand one. The only difference is that the Ella and Mila one has lavender and different, I think, essential oils, maybe just for scent. So if you're looking for more of a minimal ingredient one, go with the Halo Hand. But if you want to stick with this brand, you can use the Ella and Mila. They're both soy nail polish removers. Okay, moving on to skincare. I have a huge pile in my lap here. Before I show you all of them, you guys know Skin Resource MD is my ride or die skincare brand. I've used them for years now and worked with them, and I cannot say enough good things about them. They're simple, they're basic, they are formulated by dermatologists, board certified dermatologists. So they just have the ingredients that your skin needs. Not trendy, flashy products like that. They are just down to the basics. Like if you want to start a really good skincare routine, they have different kits, and they just have really, I don't know, they're just the best. So to build your foundation skincare routine, I would suggest them, and I'll talk about them first, but I do have some other brands because they are not the end-all be-all of skincare, but they are my favorite. So this one is a good one to add right now. It's the Visibly Moist Toner. Spray it on, it gives you an extra boost of moisture, and all of these products by Skin Resource are clean, free of parabens and synthetic ingredients that you don't want on your skin. This is my favorite product of all time. This is the Baobab Skin Correction Facial Cream. Long name, it's just a moisturizer that I use. You can use day or night, I usually do. But it brightens, tightens, lightens, does all of the good things for your skin. It has Baobab oil, which is like the tree of life. Baobab tree is the tree of life, and it has so many antioxidants and vitamins and good things for your skin, so it's amazing. This is their anti-aging, I guess you could call it, serum, the alpha hydroxy, what is it called now? They just changed the name. Alpha hydroxy skin renewal serum. So this has a bunch of different ingredients to help with lightening and brightening and helping with the appearance of your wrinkles and aging skin. I just turned 30 last year, so I've been really using this guy a lot. The Baobab also really helps with aging skin too. And then lastly, I could go on about them forever, but the last product I'll share today is if you have oily skin, this is such a good moisturizer for you. It's oil free, but it also has a bunch of different skin loving ingredients. So I feel like people with oily skin like to skip on moisture, or they're scared of using different moisturizers. This one is so good. This is a serum I got in a gift guide that I did a sponsored post on with Baobab, and I love this stuff. It's basically a hyaluronic acid serum, but it's just so good. It makes my skin so soft, like, and like more plump and just healthy looking. I noticed a difference right away, and then so I've been using it almost every day, I would say. It's minimal ingredient and it's so good. Vichy Laboratories Mineral 89. So I highly recommend that if you have dry skin or want to add in like a hyaluronic serum to your routine. Okay, this is a CBD Night Magic Botanical Skin Treatment for Radiance and Balance. This is a CBD face oil. So it's, how beautiful is that bottle, first of all, but I just love CBD in the anti-inflammatory properties, and it just benefits you in so many ways. So I just love oils too. I like to apply oils at night, like at the end of my skincare routine. So love this one. Prima, and that's clean beauty as well. Mad Hippie is another clean beauty brand. I love this Triple C night cream. Vitamin C and hyaluronic acid are like my two favorite ingredients in skincare, and this one is just really good. It has a bunch of other different good ingredients too, and I really like the texture of this. It's kind of like a whip texture, and it smells so good. Clean as well. Okay, so I make my own skincare serum with essential oils, jojoba oil, rosehip oil. Like I said, I just like applying oils at night, but Young Living makes one that you can don't have to mess with, so you can just buy it and pop a roller on the top, or not, just apply it however you want. But this one is really good. But I just wanted to share both of these because this is basically what I make in my DIY one. It's just a little bit different, but same concept, I guess. That one. Okay, this one is a hyaluronic serum. I just wanted to share this brand too because I love Valentia. I get a lot of my carrier oils for essential oils with them, but they also have skincare products. This is their hyaluronic. What I love about it is that it has sea kelp and botanical hyaluronic acid. So any like marine marine hydration or ingredients in skincare, sorry I couldn't get that, are really good for your skin. Anything from the sea like that, so good, so hydrating. And the last skincare product is another CBD one. This is a mud mask, a probiotic mud mask with CBD. This is Terraform. I kind of fell in love with this brand this year too. I have a bunch of their products. I got like a little kit of sample products, and I also love their oil. It's like a glow serum oil. It's so good, but everyone I think needs a mud mask. If you're going to do any type of mud or any type of masking, this is the one I like to do, just for like instant gratification results, that type of thing. But this also has peat moss, charcoal, avocado, and matcha, so that's cool. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm flying through this, but I'm on the last category. This is the hair stuff that I've been using this year. Again, I've been really minimal with it, and I think I just feel good about that. Like, I don't want a ton I used to be the one that had like an entire drawer in my bathroom with hair products, and it just like, I don't use them all and it's exhausting, so I really minimized my hair care routine this year, and it feels good. So this is, I don't have both containers, but I have the shampoo and conditioner of this. It's the Aveda Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo and Conditioner, and it smells divine. It smells amazing, but it really like softens my hair in a way that no other products have ever. And I mean, like, it makes my hair super soft without weighing it down. It actually like makes it light. It's just so, so good. And Aveda's products are clean, and they make their own fragrance. Like, in all of their products is called Pure Fume. So you don't have to worry about them being like toxic or anything like that. This is another clean brand I found this year, Together Beauty. This is the purple shampoo I've been using, so I love this. It's called their Purple Rain. I am on my second bottle. I'll keep purchasing that too. This is by Shea Moisture. I like a lot of their Bath and Body products, but I like the applicator, or the, what is this called? The lid, the applicator on this, because you just shake it a little bit to mix it and then just kind of squeeze it and it comes out like that. And it's not a spray like an aerosol can, which I love. So this is the dry shampoo that I've been using and love lately, or all of 2020. Okay, so that is it. Again, I'm sorry for talking so fast and rambling through the entire thing. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I will, again, link the blog post with all of the links to shop and more information about each product. Again, there will also be a link to shop Ana Luisa. Look how shiny and beautiful. I am just, you guys have to at least just check them out. They have pieces for everyone. They have so many different pieces, and again, they're affordable. Look how beautiful, and I love that this matches. Anyways, check them out. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Happy New Year. Have a good day. Bye.